What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is your boy, Elias Contreras. We are going to be talking about Apple share. This is a stock, and I'm going to go on this daily time frame. Um, going to hit bar replay. Now, to have bar replay on TradingView, you have to have the premium membership, and it's going to cost money. So, if you're not trading with TradingView on premium, then you're just not serious about trading. So we're going to go back a couple days here at September 22nd. Hit the little gear on the bottom right corner, reset skill price. Going to go down to the 4-hour time frame. And just going to delete this little box here. Now I have 3 indicators. As I said, you have to have TradingView Premium. So you guys want to get into a trade and you don't want to learn smart money, or you don't want to learn price action the way I post videos, that's fine. It takes a lot to learn, and you have to join Zoom calls and special one-on-one teachings, I guess. You can use these 3 indicators that I have. One is called the STD. So if you're cool with STDs, you can use a first community script down here. It's made by LOXX. And then there's another one called the Super Trend. And that's on the community scripts also. It's made by Kyvan C something else. And then I just type in BB for Bollinger Bands, and it'll be the first one. Now you don't have to make any special edits to these. These are all just indicators made by someone or created there as default. So if we're looking at the smaller or 4-hour time frame, is what I usually look at. We see this huge mega downtrend here. We see downtrend because these lines, these red lines are coming down, and then we see the Bollinger Bands coming on top of price action. This orange moving average is hitting this line. It comes down and then just barely touches this candle over here in this area. And then the indicator is telling us to buy. So we have a gap here going up, then selling, then coming back, and then buying, and then selling. So this green candle initially is actually a sell candle, and this red candle is actually a buy candle. Why? Because you don't see price action. Price action doesn't work like that. It's just the indicators coloring the candle saying it's buying, but it's actually selling. Okay, so now we're going to look at the 1-hour time frame. So in this 1-hour time frame, it shows huge amounts of sells, and then we have some buy signals here, and then we have sells. Okay, so what's going to happen to price right now? Well, if we look in the past, okay, I can't say the word I'm going to say because I'm talking about price action. If we look in the past, talking about indicators, we can see that price correlates here and then just goes up and down. And we have buys and sells on the 1-hour time frame. Looks like Apple went up from 155 to 160, so $5, and then coming down. You can use this on forex trading, futures, mini markets, and stocks, I guess. But with stocks, you can only buy for a price to go up, unless you're trading options for price to come back down. So coming back here, back to the 4-hour time frame, we see that she's bearish, but overall in the past, she's bullish. Now we have nothing but straight bars going up. Look at this orange moving average in the Bollinger Bands. Now I'm going to hide the STD. There we go. We can see that price is just touching that Bollinger Bands, like just wicking it, just barely touching it, and then price breaks structure to the downside on smaller time frames to go down. Now I'm going to place a horizontal line right here at the lowest low. We look at the pass. Price break structure down here and down here. I'm sorry, up here and up here. Okay. So if we're looking over here in this pass, we see areas of sells and then coming back up to buy and then continue on down to sell, making lower lows, and then coming up to make a big shot to the upside. Well, go down to the hourly time frame. It looks like she's selling. Price on this Bollinger Band is above Apple to go down. So we're going to take price down, short her down to previous lows. So we're going to go over here and draw a horizontal line right here, just above the previous Bollinger Band, which is right there. Now I'm talking all retail right now. This is all retail talk right now. We want price to come down here to 146, just above this Bollinger Band over here. We see this Bollinger Band in this orange line. This moving average is a Bollinger Band. Actually, the top is a moving average also, and the bottom of the Bollinger Band. But we're looking for price to come down here just above 146. So initially, that's where we're at. And then we'll go back on the higher time frame, see where price is going to go. So where would our stop loss be? Let's see if we can go down to at least a 30-minute time frame. Okay. So stop loss is going to be a 1-to-1 risk reward. If we were trading forex, this would be a 1-to-1 risk reward initially. We want stop loss to be just above that Bollinger line. And stop loss here, or take profit at 146. This is about a 1-to-1 risk reward. We want price to go down. Hit play on the 30-minute time frame. Now I'm going to extend this box out this way. Now I accidentally hit the wrong button here. But we're going to extend this box up this way. We could have taken profit down here, but I want her to hit 146. So she hit an area of 148, which is good. Price went up, did not hit stop loss area. Stop loss is right here at 160.40. And I stretched the box out to continue the trade. I'm going to hit the play button again. There we go. Price hit exactly here, just a little bit below. So if we were trading forex, we would still be in a safe position. Now we're going to go, since we hit take profit, that was probably so many days of trading because, Apple isn't open until, let's measure the days real quick. Actually, let's measure the pips we made. So that was 70 pips, which is 7 points. And then that total was, is it the 14th? That was 15 days for Apple to go down. Okay, so that's a long time 70 points for 15 days. That's a really long time for trading. That's why I don't trade stocks anymore, because stocks are so slow. They take up so much time just to trade. Now we're going to go to the 4-hour time frame and still see what happened to the pass. So initially we're still downtrending. We see that price hasn't broke above the previous this bubble out of here, so we are still on a bearish structure. So take this, put it over here, and just place your stop loss just down below there. Now my next stop loss is going to be my next take profit. It's going to be probably around here, just above this Bollinger Band line over here, 141.90. So we're risking very minimal risk right here. So go back to the 1 hour time frame. We already hit a good area of take profit right here. We can take two trades. A stop loss here being at 158, and then another stop loss here at short position just above this line right here, down to 141. And look at that. If we would have taken both trades, price came down here, wicked our entry at 150, and came down here at 141. If you would have taken two trades, you would have been making the money right there. And then once again, we're still bearish. Let's see here. Bearish. We're hella bearish, breaking structures. Indicators are telling us we're at all-time lows. Next stop loss or take profit would be right here at 135. So if we put stop loss and profit, we'll take that. Go back to the 1 hour time frame. Our next stop loss can be down here. This one can come down here also. Hit play. So she didn't decide to come back all the way down, but she came down just enough for 5 extra points, which is 50 pips. And then came back up. Now, if you learned smart money, you could have actually went on the smaller time frames and then just decided, oh wait, she broke structure to the downside, made an engulfing candle on bigger time frames, which is 1 hour time frame. Engulfing candle to the upside. Liquidity got taken out already, rated to come back up to the upside to get this imbalance and to create new highs and blah 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 blah. But yeah, that's pretty much way. You could have lost some money too, but thanks for watching. I'm gonna upload this to all my social medias. All right, peace out.